Now we are going to learn how to duplicate yourself. This is not easy, it takes some practice, but it is not difficult either. So I'm gonna show you the original video.
If I am bored, I can duplicate myself. Not bad, not bad. How are you?
Bien, the video is gonna stop there. And in the final product, I'm gonna see myself here and myself also here, 2 times. Let's continue with the original video.
Hey buddy, how are you doing? Good.
I am imagine that there is somebody here. I am talking with somebody who is gonna be later on the video, but it doesn't exist there. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna take this video and I say it's gonna finish here, so I split. And now I'm gonna create this, for instance. I am coming. And I'm gonna put one on top of the other. I'm gonna put the same size and I'm gonna do this. Green, blue screen. Now you can see that there is this line here. And I can move it like that. I'm gonna try to make it so it doesn't look, yeah, right there on the paper. So let's see how it looks like now.
Hey buddy, how are you doing? If I am bored, I can duplicate myself. Good. Not bad, not bad. How are you?
Okay, so I'm gonna cut it maybe right here.
Not bad. How are you?
So it doesn't look like I am leaving.
Not bad, not bad. How are you?
Okay, so that's how I have duplicated myself. Let's show it again.
Hey buddy, how are you doing? If I am bored, I can duplicate myself. Good. Not bad, not bad. How are you?
Okay, so that's about duplicating yourself. What you need to do is put one on top of the other, calculate a little bit when are they going to be together, what they are going to say, and then play with that.